While it is possible to copy files using Python, there are multiple ways to do it. Let's try them out. Let's first do this with the OS module. We assume that we have a file 1.txt somewhere in the folder Notes in Documents. Now we can create a copy with the popen function. This returns a file object that connects to a pipe. 2.txt has been made and their contents are the same. And system executes a command as a string in a subshell, so we can use it to copy this file and call it 3.txt. We can copy in an async manner using the threading library. Import thread from threading. Now we create a thread and start it, and it copies the file and creates 4.txt. Let's try this with subprocess now. We make a call to the call method and store what it returns in status. Now a copy has been created, but if the status is not 0, if it is less than 0, print killed, and if it's greater, print failed. Otherwise, print a success message. So it does. We can also borrow the checkoutput method to do this, and there you have it. Let's do this with shutil now. Copy contents of 1.txt to 7.txt and to 8.txt and 9.txt. Copy to also gets access and modification times linked to the metadata. Now using copy file obj from shutil, we can copy one last time. We need to copy from 1.txt to 11.txt. And there we've done it. Folder to folder. Folder F1 has file 1.txt. Copy it to file 2.txt in folder F2 in the same root folder. Let's open two files, 1.txt and 2.txt. One is in read mode and 2 in write mode. Now copy from 1 to 2. What is your favorite way of copying files with Python?